Good day everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use the feature called shell. Let's start off by defining the shell tool. In SOLIDWORKS, shell hollows out a solid model, creating a uniform wall thickness for parts like those made through injection molding. To use it, first select a plane and then make a model. And after that, we can apply the shell. The shell tool is found in the feature tab on the command manager. After clicking the shell, you should select a solid part in the model, and in the parameters section, enter a value to specify the wall thickness. Select the faces you want to remove to create an opening in the part. If no face is selected, the tool will create a closed hollow part. And to have different wall thicknesses on various parts of the model, select the multi-thickness option and choose the faces you want to assign a different thickness to. You can also choose the shell direction. You can choose the shell outward, which adds material to the exterior of the part, or inward, which hollowing out the inside. To preview the result, make sure the Show Preview option is enabled to see a visual representation of the shell before finalizing the feature. And this will be the result when you apply the shell feature. Now, let us apply this tool to other three-dimensional objects.
There you go. You just completed your three-dimensional design tumbler. It's easy and simple, right? I hope you learned something in our video and thanks for watching.